Hello guys again, my name is Andrew and today we're going to review this boiler from SILVERCREST, and I just put some water inside, connected to the power, and we have 16 degrees. Here we got the on-off switch. Here is the programmable keys that you can programming and put it in what degrees you want to stop hitting the water. If you take it from the base, it goes to the default. Same here, if you want to have a hot water for a long time of period of the day, you can adjust it from here, and it will leave your water in the temperature that you want. First of all, now we're going to push the power button on, and it's starting to heat. I'm seeing, and I want to see it from the closer look. And he has an LED. This is the water level. He has an LED function that it shows you the color. Now it's blue. It's starting to boil. The same thing is from the other side. Just want to see if we change the colors. And it stops if you push the button. We have 41 degrees. And again it's starting to boil. And I just stop it, just looking the temperature. If you push this, you can adjust to 80 degrees and will heating your water to 80 degrees. We'll see some the same color. Not seeing any changings. And it will stop in 80 degrees. And it's just stopped. And we are hearing the beep. Now, I want to see if I'm going to put some cold water, if it will start again. Let's see. Okay. Let's put some water here, cold. And it starts. You hear the sound of the boiling. We have the rubber here, not to spill any water out. Button to open. Don't touch here because the metal you will burn. Let's see if it stops to AEG again. Okay, I think it stops, and we will hear the beep. Okay, no beep. That was for the first time. Now I want to compare this product with some other products, and I will show you ASAP. One moment. And the comparison is with this product. This is the AEG EWA. This is the same thing like that, but with different function. This has only 3 buttons. This has 4 buttons. And this, if you boil the water, it will change color depending the temperature. That, it doesn't do that. And if you put the water here to boil it, you will see instantly the temperature that is grow up. Here it doesn't show the temperature. It's only showing us the 10% that we put it to go. The maximum temperature. The temperature that we chose. Let's hear how it works. Okay, we do have some water inside. Close it and push the button. You see it is green. Starting the boiling. We have the indicator here to see how much water we have inside. It is in 0, and then we'll start for the 40 degrees, and it goes to 40 degrees. Here it goes, 46, and it is rising. It depends sometimes how much faster it goes from the amount of the water you've got inside. And you see, as it goes up, the color is changing. That is not happening here. It has the same color. Of course, this process has 27.99. This has 55 to 60 euros. And it's changing again color. It goes to purple, blue from purple, then hotter and hotter until it goes to the 100 degrees, and it will stop. And you'll stop it. Here, if you want to put the water, the temperature that you want, you've got the 50, 60, 70, and 80 and 90 degrees, and you can push this button, but it's already here. The same thing, you can leave your water to heat up. You can choose what degrees you want. The same thing is here. You can choose how much temperature you want and put this. It's already in this temperature. I just reviewed that before. Well, that was the boiling from SILVERCREST and from AEG EWA. I just want to make a review for this boiling. It's very good boiling. It's only 28 euros. It's very suitable, the price, for comparing that the given specs, the temperature, the adjustable temperature, the LCD display, etc, etc. Of course, this is other products, it's more branded. Thank you guys again. That was all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Please hit the notification bell because more videos will come to in the future. Have a nice day. Bye bye.